Grakshalo Tripura Hastiwo Faishok Paimani Maharaja Bir Bikram Birkhong Kholawo Meghalaya Hastini Khasi Hill Edisi Haboni Kaisha Bodol Aratongu CEM Nisimi Jengi EMT Official Hastiwo Fai Shajalelawi Tini Srang Salo TTDC Habanogni Tangnogo TTDC Habangni CEM EMT Habangni Samong Tangnarok by Nangkukboni Kok Shalane Bagai Asuk Laika Kok Shalane Sekang Pula TTDC Habangni Bukhakti Tiprashalni Kanmung Chumumbai Brom Yafarka TTDC Habangni CEM Nisimi Jengi EMT Official Abnulo Khasi Hill EDC Habangni Bukhakti Bo Brom Yafarjaka Kokcha Muni Kaisano Naharmung Kaham Halok Narani Te Hamkraini Samong Butanono Tebo Kholoknani
So thank you. You meet the kids?
Yes. Abang yang
What are you trying to do? Tripura Tribal Area Development Council was established by the Act or Tripura Tribal Area Development Council Act 1979 for the support of self-government by the tribals and the tribals in some areas. This was written and spelled out in the Act itself.
very nice.
Next is So this is the mix of the cultures. Secretary in Khasi Hill Uttarakhand District Council.
Please take your seat.
Please, Mr. Sam Lingo. have to felicitate Shri Sam Lindo, the reporter for Khasi Hill Ottawa District Council. All good morning. On behalf of the CEM Ministry, so I just request. In fact, we have also one more presentation from outside.
Next to him is Mr. Kamal Kolot, Executive Member, Kamal Kolot. And next to him is Mr. Bhagarantan Diya, Honorable Executive Member. Next to him is Mr. Rajesh Tripura, Executive, Honorable Executive Member. And next to him is Mr. Suhel Verma, Honorable Executive Member.
Now I would request our Honorable Chief Executive Officer TCADC.
Great, very